Hello, my name is Adrian Noven Rabaskoro, but you can call me Noven, and I'm from ICH in Universitas Negeri Malang. Today, I want to presentation my essay paper or research paper, and my research paper is about the role of animation in vocabulary development. But before that, let me start with the introduction. So, the introduction about this essay paper is about how animation can help students learn new vocabulary more faster and easier. And in here, animation can help students learning and remember new vocabulary more easier because in animation it gives clear image, sounds, and contents. And in this combination, it can help students to learn the new vocabulary more faster and more easier than without the animation. Animation can make students enjoy when they learning about new vocabulary because they don't focus in only a text, but they can enjoy the animation too, and they will not get bored because of that. And the next one is about the main point. In my main point, there was five options in here, or five point. In the first point is about animation can provide visual support and clarifies meaning. So in here, it means that animation can easily give student what the meaning of the vocabulary in the animation. And for the second point is about animation show how words work in the real life situation. So in here, animation can help student like practice how new vocabulary work in the real life situation, like when we need to use the vocabulary or when we use the new word. And the third point is about animation increase your motivation to learn. So in here, animation can help students to improve their motivation to learn new vocabulary or new word, and animation can show students how we need to improve or we need to get motivation to study more. And in fourth point is about animation repeat keyword that strengthen memory. So in here, animation can help students to remember the new word or the new vocabulary that they have just learned and keep the vocab in their mind so they can easily remember it and use it in real life situation. And for last option is about animation improve listening and pronunciation. So in here, when students learn with animation, they can easily focus on the listening way when they learn it, and they also can improve their pronunciation with like when animation can give them clear example how to pronounce the vocab or the word, and they can practice it in real life situation. The third part is about analysis. In this analysis, I also have 5 points. In the first point, it's about you can recognize word faster when you see action or object directly. So basically, when you see the object or the action, you already know what is the word that meaning of that object or situation. And the second point is about you understand how word function because animation show them in the dialogue. So for student, it can help them to make or to learn the vocabulary more easily because you can see the word clearly in the dialogue. And for the third point is about you can focus because animate content is engaging. And for the fourth point is about you remember word better because animation repeats important vocabulary. So it clearly means like animation can help you learn that this vocabulary is meaning this, or it can make you remember it more faster and easier because it repeat every time when you see it in the animation. And the last point is about you pronounce word more accurately after hearing clear speech from the character. So it's basically for your listening. When you see the character in animation speaking, you can know, oh, the word that the character speaking is that, and you can know the meaning too. So in conclusion, or the last part, as I would say that the animation can support student vocabulary developments, can help student with visual that help student understand meanings, the content that helps student makes the word easier to use, the motivation increase during the learning process, the repetition strengthen that strengthens the memory, and the audio improve the pronunciation. Also, animation become an effective tool to help you build and use vocabulary with confidence. So that was my presentation for my essay paper. Thank you for watching and bye bye.